This is an advertisement that a board member of the Colorado Exchange has put forward. Do you agree with this kind of advertising for Obamacare?
I can't see it, and again...
It's a college student doing a keg stand.
If the Colorado Exchange did that,
do you approve of this kind of advertising?
State-based marketplace.
Do you approve of this kind of advertising?
I don't see it. I don't know what it is, and I did not approve it. This is a state-based marketplace.
That's pretty big font. That's a pretty big picture of a keg.
So that was Republican Congressman Cory Gardner grilling Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius at the Obamacare hearing this week. Now, Gardner was referring to an ad campaign in Colorado that targets young people, the so-called invincibles Obamacare is depending on for its success. Now, this ad features a college student doing a keg stand with the caption, "Don't tap into your beer money to cover those medical bills." Joining me now is one of the people behind the ads, Adam Fox, Director of the Strategic Management for the Colorado Consumer Health Initiative. Adam, it's good to have you here. What was your reaction when that happened on Capitol Hill, when the congressman was trying to get Kathleen Sebelius to either give her approval or disapproval of this style of ad?
Well, you know, I don't think it really doesn't have anything to do with the secretary, because it wasn't coming from Colorado's state-based marketplace, much less the federal marketplace. So she really had no idea that this was going to be happening. This was really something that we were doing to try to raise awareness among young adults.
All right, so Connect for Health Colorado, which runs the exchange, says that 3,164 people enrolled as of October 29th. Explain to us, though, the campaign and the minds behind this. I mean, obviously, you look like a young guy. I mean, who came up with the thought of, let's put these guys doing a keg stand? You know, like I'm looking at that, I'm thinking, well, if you chip your tooth, you're going to need dental insurance. That's all I'm thinking.
Well, I think that there's probably a lot that can go wrong in a keg stand, but I think what we were really trying to do is come up with a social media campaign that was going to have a bit of humor and be fun and really attract attention, and I think we've definitely succeeded in doing that.
Yeah, you've definitely attracted attention. Now, there are more, as I understand it, ads to this campaign. However, you only have 2 that target young women. Why is that?
Well, it really comes down to, because this is a shoestring budget project, it was who we could get to volunteer to come into the studio when. And so it was really a matter of what photographs we had ready to go when we wanted to launch the campaign. So there's a lot more to come.
All right, a lot more to come. Well, we had on Morning Joe today, White House Press Secretary Jay Carney said it's young invincibles out there that do want the health care and is confident that they will sign up for it. Take a listen to what he had to say.
There's a silver lining here when it comes to young people, and young people are important to this working. It was always the case, no matter how good the website was going to be, that young Americans were going to be the last group to sign up. I mean, I don't know about you in college, or I mean, everything I did when I was young was last minute.
All right, so talking there in reference to the procrastination factor that a lot of people suffer from, no matter where you are, at what stage in your life. But the ads that you say are going to roll out, I mean, are they trying to take that similar tone where you want them to go viral, where you want them to be on the cliff, the edge, so that they get that kind of traction?
Well, I definitely think that that helps. We're really just trying to come up with images that are going to stick out at people as they're scrolling through their social media feeds and get their attention so that they can really start thinking about, yeah, there are some new health insurance options available, and I should probably start looking into them.
Adam Fox from the Colorado Consumer Health Initiative. Adam, thanks so much. We look forward to seeing you and the others.